Here's our website at Citagenix.com. If you haven't already registered, you can register at the Create an Account link. And then once you're registered, it's just a simple matter of logging in with your password. Once you're logged in, you can go to the headings here and see information by category, by brand, by application, by type. We now have instruments available on the website as well. And if you don't have a printed catalog, you're welcome to click on catalogs and get either a dental or instruments or instrument kit catalogs as a soft copy in a PDF format. Now, if you wanted additional information, you can click on any of the products and get some additional educational and product information details. This is our synthetic Eclipse product. Once you go down to the bottom of the page, you can click on that and you can find a series of different case studies that highlight the use of this particular material in a variety of applications. We invite you to take a look at our website, and if you want to discuss any of the things that you find, give me a call or schedule a meeting. Use the link on the email with this video. Thanks.